so shiny. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a little beauty review of Nutree's Brazilian Bondox Expert and trying it for the first time and seeing the results on my hair. I do look a little crazy right now. I just woke up. This is currently day 3 since I've washed my hair. I'm honestly not too into hair care, but I'm trying to get better. Really the only hair mask that I usually do is just coconut oil. And I recently read that it's actually not good for you because it actually coats the hair and doesn't allow good products to actually seep in. So it says it has collagen, marine, and glutamic acid, prunus oil. It was developed to recover extremely damaged hair, promoting deep hydration and smoothing effect. So it basically helps keep your hair nourished, strong, healthy, and frizz-free. So just to show you guys my hair before I use this product, it is still pretty healthy. I don't bleach it or anything, but I do feel like I still could use some moisture. Everyone could. So we will see. So the direction says, after washing the hair with any deep cleansing shampoo, which I guess it recommended anti-residue shampoo. So I went to the store and got the Neutrogena anti-residue shampoo. And this says to use once a week as a treatment to instantly remove residue that can cause bad hair days. So it removes residue caused by shampoos and conditioners and products and stuff. So I'm gonna open it and then jump in the shower. So this is the jar. Oh my gosh, you guys. It smells kind of like a Starburst.
Don't listen to the hollow words. Don't fall into the hands. Don't follow any other path but your own. Don't need to live up to their demands.
It says to straighten your hair in really small linear sections, I think it said. Maybe straightening your hair just kind of locks the product in. I'm not too sure. But my hair, I'm pretty sure it's never felt this soft, like ever. I don't know if you can see with the light, but it's already so shiny. Okay, so my hair is all done being straightened. It is so soft and you can just run your fingers through it like nothing. So altogether, I know it's a little bit pricier, but I think it's worth it. It's definitely better than your typical DIY at-home masks. Again, I'm not a hair expert at all. I'm more into skincare, but I feel like this is stepping my game up a little bit. And it's crazy how long these results last. So it says to do it every 4 to 6 weeks or 4 to 8 weeks. I don't remember, but still that's a long time. So I'll probably start to do this mask every month and continue to take care of myself and my hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely want to start making more beauty related videos and review videos. If you enjoyed, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, as well as make sure you're subscribed and hit that bell so you get notified every single video I post.